County Public Health is tracking more cases of whooping cough. 5 people have now tested positive for B. pertussis at Washington State University. Whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory illness that doctors say can be spread before you even know you have it. It can be treated with antibiotics, and booster shots are available every 10 years. If you've been around someone who tests positive for whooping cough, you can also get preventative antibiotics. Whitman County Public Health says the outbreak is contained to the WSU student population, but residents in the county should check the last time they had a Tdap vaccine.